Here's my go-to sound design methods.
First, I watch the video muted. Then I imagine what sound would best fit. I write a list of sound effects to find. And with over 100,000 different sounds to choose from, this might take a while. Time to open up DaVinci. Here's a cursor clicking. I drag a clicking sound from my library. I line it up to the moment the cursor moves down. Trim and fade the audio. This process gets repeated over 100 times. Now, for the final result.